Hari Om. Hello everyone, I am Sri Jyoti. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is of Class 10 Mathematics Chapter 8 Introduction to Trigonometry. The word trigonometry is derived from three Greek words: tri, gon and metron. Tri means three, gon means sides and metron means measure. Therefore, trigonometry is the study of sides and angles of a triangle. So, in this chapter, we will study ratios of a sides of a right-angled triangle. There are 6 trigonometric ratios: sine, cosine, tangent, cosecant, secant, cotangent. Now let's see how to write the ratios of these trigonometric ratios. Okay, of a triangle. Okay, here right angle triangle. We consider right angle triangle. Ratios of a right angled triangle. Let's take a right angle triangle ABC. And angle B is 90 degree, right? Here we refer angle C. Okay, angle C. Therefore, for angle C, this side is opposite side and this side is adjacent side and this side is hypotenuse. Okay. Now, what is sine C? Sine angle C. Sine we can write SIN. Okay. Sine C is equal to opposite divided by hypotenuse. See here, it is opposite side and it is hypotenuse. Okay. That is AB divided by AC. And next is cosine. We can write cos. Cos C is equal to adjacent divided by hypotenuse. Adjacent divided by hypotenuse. Adjacent divided by hypotenuse. Okay. That is equal to BC divided by AC. Okay. Next is tan C. Tan C is equal to, here, opposite divided by adjacent. Okay. Tangent is opposite divided by adjacent. Opposite divided by adjacent. That is equal to AB divided by BC. AB by BC. Next 3. Here, actually these 3 are the reciprocals of this one. Okay. That is, cosecant is the reciprocal of sine. Secant is the reciprocal of cos. Cotangent is the reciprocal of tangent. So, let's write. Here, next is cosec C. Cosec C is the hypotenuse divided by opposite side. Okay. That is, sine C is opposite divided by hypotenuse. Cosec is hypotenuse divided by opposite. Okay. Hypotenuse divided by opposite. That is AC divided by AB. AC by AB. Next, secant. Secant, we can write it as sec. Okay. Sec C. Sec C is hypotenuse divided by adjacent. What about cos? Cos is adjacent by hypotenuse. Adjacent by hypotenuse. Okay. Sec is hypotenuse divided by adjacent. Adjacent divided by hypotenuse. That is AC divided by BC. Okay. Next, last one is cotangent. Cotangent can be written as cot. Okay. Cot C is equal to, what about tan? Tan C is opposite by adjacent, right? So, cot is adjacent divided by opposite side. Okay. Adjacent divided by opposite side. That is BC divided by AB. angle. Okay, next we consider angle A. Let's refer angle A. Then what is sine A? Sine A. Opposite side divided by hypotenuse. Here opposite side is BC and hypotenuse is AC. Okay. So BC divided by AC. Then what is cos A? Cos A is adjacent. Here adjacent side is AB, right? That is adjacent side divided by hypotenuse. AB divided by AC. Then what about tan A? Tan A is equal to opposite divided by adjacent. Opposite. Here angle A opposite side is BC, right? BC divided by adjacent is AB. BC by AB. Opposite by adjacent. And other three ratios we can write. Reciprocal of, that is cosec is the reciprocal of sine and sec is the reciprocal of cos and cot is the reciprocal of tan. So cosec is cosec A is equal to AC by BC, right? AC divided by BC. And sec A is equal to AC divided by AB. And cot A is equal to AB divided by BC. Look at this right angled triangle, triangle ABC. It's a right angle triangle. Angle A is 90 degree. Okay, therefore this angle triangle is a right angle triangle. Okay, now let's find the 6 trigonometric ratios of these acute angles. Acute angles B, angle B and angle C. Okay, let's find one by one. Before that, let's find the, see this side. Find the measure of this side. Here, see it's a right angle triangle, right? It is the side hypotenuse. Right? It is the side hypotenuse opposite of this angle, that is right angle. So it is the hypotenuse. We have to find this side. Here we will apply Pythagoras theorem. That is Pythagoras theorem is BC square, that is hypotenuse is equal to, square is equal to AB square plus AC square, right? AB square plus AC square. So here BC is 13, that is 169. 13 square is 169 is equal to AB square is 25 plus AC square. Therefore AC square is equal to 169 minus 25, that is 144. Therefore AC is equal to 12. Square root of 144, 12. Therefore here we have got AC is 12. Now let's find one by one trigonometric ratios. First of all, let's find sine B. Sine B is opposite divided by hypotenuse. Opposite divided by hypotenuse. That is 12 divided by 30. Then what is cos B? Cos B. Cos B is equal to adjacent. What is the adjacent? Here. Adjacent divided by hypotenuse. 5 by 30. Next, tan B is opposite divided by adjacent. It is the hypotenuse. Okay, remember the opposite of right angle is hypotenuse. Okay, don't be confused. Here opposite side is 12 and adjacent is 5. Okay, here tan B is opposite divided by adjacent. That is 12 divided by 5. Then what about other three ratios? Cosec B is 13 by 12, reciprocal of sine. Okay, and sec B is equal to reciprocal of cos B, that is 13 by 5. What about cot? Cot B is reciprocal of tan, that is 5 by 12. Okay, after that, next let's consider angle C. Let's find sine C, cos C. Okay, sine C is opposite divided by hypotenuse, that is 5 by 30. Here opposite is AB. Okay, 5 divided by 30. And cos C is equal to adjacent divided by hypotenuse, that is 12 by 30. And Next, tan C opposite divided by adjacent. Opposite divided by adjacent. Okay. Tan C is equal to 5 divided by 12. After that, other three trigonometric ratios, cosec C is equal to reciprocal of sin C, that is 13 divided by 5. And sec C is equal to reciprocal of cos C, 13 by 12. Okay. And cot C is equal to reciprocal of tan C, that is 12 by 5. Okay. Remember, see, cosec C is equal to 1 by sin C. Okay. And sec C is equal to 1 by cos C. Okay. Cot C is equal to 1 by tan C. Remember, so it is enough to study only first three trigonometric ratios. Okay. That is, sine is opposite by hypotenuse and cos is adjacent by hypotenuse, tan is opposite by adjacent. And these other three ratios are the reciprocal of these three trigonometric ratios. Look at this example. If tan A is equal to 4 by 3, find the other trigonometric ratios of angle A. Okay, now let's take a right angle triangle ABC. Here we have to find the trigonometric ratios of angle A, right? Okay, let us take it is the angle A. And it is the angle, right angle B. It is the 90 degree, okay? Angle 90 degree and ABC. Okay. So it is given that tan A is equal to 4 by 3. That is, this ratio is 4 by 3. 4 is to 3. That is, what is tan A? Opposite divided by adjacent. Opposite is BC. Therefore, it is 4K. Okay. And adjacent is 3K. Therefore, tan A is equal to, its ratio is 4 by 3. Okay. Therefore, we have to take BC is 4K and AB is 3K. Now, that is BC is equal to 4K and AB is equal to 3K. Now, let's find the hypotenuse. Okay. That is AC. Here we will apply Pythagoras theorem. AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. BC square. AC square is equal to, what is AB? 3K. 3K square is 9K square plus BC square is 16K square. That is 25K square. Okay. What is AC? AC square is equal to 25K square. AC is 5K. So AC is 5K. Now let's find the trigonometric ratios. What is sine A? Sine A is opposite divided by hypotenuse. What is opposite? Here sine A, right? Opposite is BC. BC divided by hypotenuse is AC. Okay. BC by AC, that is BC is 4K. 4K divided by AC is 5K. Therefore, 4 divided by 5. Its ratio is 4 is to 5. Then next is cos A. What is cos A? That is adjacent by hypotenuse. 3K by 5K. Okay. We can write AB divided by AC, that is 3K divided by 5K, that is 3 divided by 5. Next, we have already tan A. Okay. Next is, okay, let's write it. Tan A is equal to 4 by 3. Okay. Next is cosec. Cosec A is equal to, see, reciprocal of sine. Okay, reciprocal of sine, that is 1 by sine A. 1 by 4 by 5, that is 5 divided by 4. Then what about sec A? It is 1 by cos A, reciprocal of cos. Okay, that is equal to 1 by 3 by 5, that is 5 by 3. Then what about cot A? Cot A is equal to reciprocal of tan A. 1 by tan A, that is 1 by 4 by 3, that is equal to 3 by 4.